Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft here with another video. Right now, guys, we're heading to Easy Hustle, and I'm in a little bit of a hurry because Easy Hustle closes at 1. It's currently 12:20. About a 30-minute drive to their, I guess you could say, shop or junkyard. I don't know, but yeah. So it's a 30-minute drive, so I'm in a little bit of a hurry because I'm talking kind of fast and walking. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up a new dash for the truck. It's off of Denali. It's around that same tan peanut butter color I want. I'm probably gonna have to paint it to color match it to the center console. But I thought maybe that'd be a little bit easier to do since my dash right now is currently red. So instead of having to paint over the red and all that bullshit, sand it down or whatever, I'll just paint over this one. So yeah, hopefully this one looks nice, and hopefully they include the little handle that goes on the dash, because that one's off the Denali, like I said, and it's like stitched, if that makes sense. I'll show you guys if they give it to me. I'll ask for it, and then I might pick up some air vents. I'm picking up a dash bezel for sure, and I'm gonna ask for the sun visors because my sun visors are red. I'm actually missing one, so I only have one sun visor, but let me show you guys. Real quick. Okay, so I'm getting a new one of these, a new dash. Hopefully they include the new one. The new one has like a stitching pattern right here, kind of to match the stitching pattern on the center console. And then I'm probably gonna pick up the air vents as well and sun visor. See how I'm missing one? So I'm gonna pick up the other ones. Should be that tan color. So we'll be taking the Tahoe. I won't be taking the truck just because I don't want to put any of that dash stuff in the back of the truck and get it damaged or whatever. So we'll be taking the Tahoe today, the daily. So I'll catch you guys back up when we get to the shop. Alright guys, we're pulling up. Easy Hustle. If you guys are interested in any parts, engines, anything, right here. Let's go in, see what's up. I shut off my parts ready because I paid last night. The only thing I gotta pay is the sun visors and the air vents that I'm ordering right now, so we'll see right now. So we're on our way back home. Ended up picking the visors, the two passenger side air vents, the bezel, and I got the dash. But yeah, obviously all that stuff needs to be cleaned and painted still, so it's not gonna be going on my truck just yet. I gotta see how much paint I have left to color match whatever color I have on the truck right now, which is like that peanut butter color. I don't think I have enough cans of that CME paint to color match it yet. So I'm gonna have to order some more. But once that paint is ordered and all that good stuff, I'm gonna clean these parts for now, just to have them clean and ready. But yeah, once I get the paint in, I'll paint those, get them to match, and then we should be ready to install them.
Much later.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft here with another video. And today, guys, we're finally gonna finish the wrap on the Mamalona. So this is actually gonna be guys, pulled up. And I'm using the middle bay to finish the paint. We got Ruiz over here. Sick ass round. Some of the trucks he's working on. Check out this fucking beast. God damn, this bitch is tall. Got the boy Juan over here painting at High Owl. Make sure I hit him up. And then we got Bulls Tucson over here. This is the Bulls Tucson Prez. I don't know if he's here for some custom work or paint, but this truck's here. Currently eating breakfast. Can't paint on an empty stomach. Getting some custom control arms made. That way when he airs out, he doesn't get any negative camber. But yeah, let me just finish my breakfast. I'll get back to you guys once I start getting everything prepped up. Alright guys, so back with you guys. Truck's all prepped. Well, it's taped up. I still gotta wipe it down and everything, but for the most part it's prepped. Everything that I don't want to get painted is taped off, so on. You don't have to be 100% with your masking, just because this wrap is peelable. So like right here in the mirrors, I only taped off like the middle part. That way whenever I peel off the tape, it'll peel off the rest of the wrap. But yeah, sunroof's taped, all the windshields, front bumper, fog lights, front, what is it, light bar. So just gonna start wiping it down, and then I can start with the base coat, which is gonna be like a, you know what, I think I might tape off this off because I want to keep that silver. We'll see here now. But yeah, so I'm gonna wipe it down and we can get to spraying. Yeah, I did decide to tape it off after all because I want to keep that silver. So time to start wiping it down, some pre-dip spray, and yeah, start painting. Hopefully the sun doesn't bother us too much. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the, I guess what would call base coat. Fucked up a little bit right here. And then this door was being a bitch on me. I had to redo it twice. So it's got some imperfections right here. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I didn't spray the hood because it's already on that brown. We're gonna redo it with brown. But I mean, I'm not going for 100% perfection just because it's gonna be temporary. I am gonna eventually repaint the truck with actual paint. Only reason I'm doing it with the wrap is because I already had it. I didn't want to waste my money, so might as well use it, right? So we're gonna go with the wrap for now, save up some money, and then get it resprayed with actual paint. So don't worry about it if it's not perfect, guys. I mean, as long as it looks 90% good to me, I'm fine with it. So let's go ahead and start spraying the brown, and then we can start unwrapping the truck. Note to self: if you have a fuel cell and you don't have an aftermarket gauge, constantly keep an eye on the gas in your fuel cell. I'm currently on the side of the road on the freeway because I ran out of gas. So that sucks. Currently waiting for some gas, so it should be good. But note to self, guys: either install yourself an aftermarket gauge or keep an eye on that shit, because that sucks. I was in the far lane too. Luckily I made it all the way to almost the exit. This is where I'm currently stuck at. But yeah, today was a good day though. Got the truck finished finally. Still have this air leak on my manifold system, so I gotta fix that still. But other than that, truck's almost pretty much done. Still needs the firewall done, so I haven't got that done. I don't want to drop off the truck just yet, just because I got some stuff coming up. This Saturday, there's gonna be a promo meet. I believe it's for AZ Desert Showdown. I'm not 100% sure, but I know the boy Isma and Jerry are gonna be there, and the homie Sideways King. So they asked me to pull up, and I'm gonna have my truck parked in the front. So I was getting the truck pretty much ready for that. And then, like I said, March, truck show. That one's gonna be Arizona Truck Invasion. And then April is Arizona Showdown. So can't wait for those. My truck will finally be at a truck show after like a year or more. Probably 2 years, because it's the first year.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm back. Finally made it off the freeway. As I was saying, the truck hasn't been to a show like in 2 years, because the first year was COVID, and the second year my truck was at the shop the whole fucking time. But yeah, now the truck is done, or like I said, most of the way done. So now it's time to attempt some shows, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Stuff.
Perfect.